Hey guys, it's James the Chart Guys. It's Wednesday, March 21st. Going to do my nightly video on Natgas. So Natgas weekly is still an equilibrium pattern, high and low, higher low, lower high. We're going to get tighter and tighter. As of now, the pattern is in control of the bears. As I've said in my past videos on the weekly on Natgas, as long as we on these consecutive candles with the way we're playing in an equilibrium pattern, as long as we have consecutive higher lows and higher highs, that would be the clue to continue to ride it on the weekly. Last week's candle, we got to broke to a higher high, but then broke to a lower low. And once we broke that, the low of last week, that was again the signal that bears are still in control here on the weekly charts on Natgas. And so, same thing, principle is here. If we continue to see lower highs next week and lower lows, and we break the low of whatever forms this week, 2.634 at this point, then look for continuation on the weekly. Must hold for the bulls on this consolidation is going to be 2.565 as it plays out, this equilibrium pattern, and most hold at this point for the bears. They don't want to see a break of 2.811 on this weekly chart. Looking at the daily, the low here, 2.65. Closed at 2.648. So we did have a bear break by a smudge here of the inside candle high and low within the previous ranges high and low, and it was increasing bear volume as the price did close closer to the low of the day than the high of the day. That tells me that we're still in control for the bears. Start looking at the 4-hour again. 4 hours have been pretty good here for which direction to play it. High, lower high, dump, consolidation, lower high, dump, consolidation, lower high, dump, consolidation. This close to bulls taking over here. I thought maybe they had a chance. They did form a little bit of a higher high on that 4-hour compared to this candle, but was unable to break this previous resistance of 2.71 and then pulled back. So looking at the play for tomorrow, we do have inventory reports tomorrow. And the way I would play this at this point would be on inventory reports, I would look for a break of 2.708 and look for that support to hold of 2.634. If we break 2.634, then likely going to continue to consolidate, continue to be in control of the bears. I would also look at the hourly RSI. If we're extremely oversold on the hourly RSI on Natgas going into inventory reports, then I think there's an opportunity to have a trade to play Natgas bullish, but as of now, the trend, longer term trend, is in the favor of bears. So I need to be quick on those trades. Would only trade it at this point until the daily showed me something different, or we were able to break above at least minimally this 2.71 resistance back here. So let me see what this got up to. No, right under it. Have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.